Hey, good morning, everyone. Coach Chris coming at you. We got news in about 3 minutes. Powell's going to be making a speech at the Jackson Hole. So far this morning, haven't seen much price action here on the MNQ. This is a 5-minute chart. I do have an order set to go over here on the side. Right now, it's a 25-point take profit, 25-point take loss. We will see what happens if we get any price movement. The news is about 3 minutes away. It's 8:57 a.m. on Friday, August 23rd. And this is a 5-minute chart of the MNQ. Not sure what impact this news is going to have. A lot obviously is going to depend on what he says. And we're, let's see here, about 2 minutes out. So we had a little up and down price movement. You can see, but it's staying fairly close to this basis line, which is what we assumed was going to happen. The market opened right here at 8:30, and you can see we had a big down candle. Let's just see here, a 50-point candle, mostly down, a little bit of wicks on each end. Since then, it consolidated and kind of retraced back, and it's just kind of hanging out here, waiting for the news to drop. So 1 minute, 10 seconds, we'll just kind of hang tight. We are in a little bit of a downtrend again right here. Both of these indicators showing red for down. Little under a minute here. We'll see what happens. Overnight, the market was up considerably. Just a slow drift up, and recovered most of what it had given up yesterday. So let's just hang tight. We're down to 37 seconds. We'll see. It may not be an immediate reaction. The algos may react first, so we're just going to kind of hold tight and see what happens. We're not going to trade the immediate reaction, because very often what they will do is they'll sweep liquidity to both sides, and then the algos will trade depending on some of the text they're seeing, and then after a minute or two, things will start to slow down. You can see now how things are hopping around. 10 seconds to the news. Okay, there's the news. Let's just see if it's going to be valid. Okay, let's just go ahead. It looks like a positive initial reaction. Let's go ahead and take a buy. We did get the signal. We'll just see what happens here, if I enter too early or what happens. I do have 2 contracts with a 25-point stop loss. We're up 57. I'm going to move this up. Let's see if I can get this up in time. Okay, we're at $100. Shoot, pull back. I goofed that up when I went to move the take profit. So it was I guess, well, let's see if we can get in again. If we want to. Let's just see how far this is moving up and down on us. We still do have the green signal. Let's just go ahead and try one more contract. I'm going to move this up quite a bit here, and then just aggressively trail it. It may have the move may have already happened. Okay, we're up a little bit. If our profit goes there, it goes up above $50. Now let's just put a stop loss there, see if we get stopped out. See if we can get another push up. Okay, up $50 now. 70, 90. Okay, I'll take another $100 profit. If I can get this thing to stop out, let's just see here. Yeah, what's happening here? Well, there it is. Came back. Okay, let's move this up. We're up $112 now. We're going to aggressively trail this. 116 now. Hopefully it won't pull back too aggressively. So another $100. So there we go. We caught most of the trade. We got out of the first one a little too early, and then you can see how things are pulling back there. So about $160 overall, trading the Powell speech reaction.